I'm Natasha Merat. I'm a Professor of Human Factors and Transport Systems at the University of Leeds Institute for Transport Studies. And for the last 15 years, I've been working at the human factors of automated vehicles, so looking at how drivers and pedestrians interact with these new forms of mobility. I've had the pleasure of being awarded the International Excellence Fellow, and I'm working with Professor Barbara Deml and her team at the IFAB at KIT.
I've known Natasha Merat before due to this strategic collaboration between KIT and Leeds. We had some PhD students going to Leeds and then coming back again. This is a completely different quality of collaboration if you work together for a longer period of time. This changes both the content of collaboration and it also changes very much our relationship.
One of the hot topics right now and going forward for the next few years is the human factors of remote operation and teleoperators. For example, automated vehicles are not controlled by humans anymore, and these vehicles sometimes get stuck because they're not perfect yet. In that case, a human operator remotely has to drive the vehicle out of the way.
We are both psychologists working in a human factors domain, and Natasha has a very deep expertise in traffic psychology. So this is a really good starting point for us to work together. Our next aim is to use our mutual infrastructure to make it possible that a teleoperator from Karlsruhe controls the traffic simulator which is in Leeds and which is a really, really good traffic simulator.
It's been really amazing, actually. I would say the best part of it is really meeting new people, seeing the technology and the facilities that are available at KIT, and talking about hopefully new collaborations going forward.